The year is 1998, there's no YouTube. Even if there were, the combination of Pentium 1s and 56K dial-up modems probably can't run it either. There are also barely any camera phones on the market. Home is set to debut in this year's NDP. And it was this year that McDonald's Singapore released one of their most memorable items, the Chicken McCrispy. The Chicken McCrispy was phenomenal. Other than being one of the best fast food fried chicken ever sold on Singaporean soil, it also came with comics and cartoons of their ambassadors Fast Fry and Steam Marinade. The Chicken McCrispy was such a hit that it probably made KFC very uncomfortable. And to be clear, we are not talking about current day KFC, we are talking about heyday KFC. This was a time when Zinger came in a signature black box and nobody said that Malaysian KFC was better than Singapore's. Still, the McCrispy was delicious enough to start a price war with KFC, with both sides offering their chicken at $1 a piece. No one knows who won the war. Well, probably the customers won the war. No one knows why the war ended. Maybe the government came in and said, "Oi, people are getting fat, can you all stop it?" And in 2002, when the people needed it most, the McCrispy vanished. Today, 18 years later, the McCrispy is back. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today the Chicken McCrispy is back. 18 years! 18 years! You know, I was doing my research online before this, right? And it's actually hard to get pictures or information on the Chicken McCrispy. Because back then, no one could afford a camera phone. And even if they did, or if they use a digital camera, right? They will have to store it in their shitty computer for like 10 years before there's any, platform to upload to. There wasn't YouTube, there wasn't Facebook, even Friendster or MySpace came a little later than that. Looking around online, the websites covering the McCrispy, some of them are actually using photos of the Taiwanese McCrispy, which I suspect are different things altogether. I don't blame them, it's a long time ago. Looking at the comment section of the McCrispy, right, or McCrispy related posts, right, I don't think people even recognize the McCrispy. That's when you know you're a boomer. I'm really confident with 18 years that no one really remembers what the McCrispy tastes like. All I can remember that it was phenomenal. But then again, it's to my childish taste buds at the time, so what do I know? I have no doubt that this will be a good piece of fried chicken. It's McDonald's Singapore. They know what they are doing on. I'm not interested whether this chicken is good or not. My only question today is whether this McCrispy is that McCrispy. Although, looking at it right now, it's obvious that they changed the recipe. Just looking at the batter, it's so similar to the recent crispy chicken. You know, that chicken patty that they sold on its own, which was very weird, I felt. And it kind of looks and smells like the McWings. They even have the same mildly spicy sign that they used for the crispy chicken. And I was able to dig up this photo of the Chicken McCrispy. Although it's a really terrible photo, you can already tell that the batter is not the same. So everything points to McDonald's just reusing the name, right, with a new recipe. But you know what? I'm gonna be naive and hope that McDonald's actually brought it back. What am I hoping for? This is impossible. What the f? So I'm only interested in that one bite, if it will bring me all the way back. No hits and misses today. Only one criteria. Do I go back? I do want to say one thing though, it's kind of weird. Their thighs look kind of weird. Like, this is like the smallest, thinnest thighs I've ever seen. There's a bone inside. This is a bone-in thigh. But the cut is so weird. If you all get one of these thighs at KFC or Popeyes, you all be angry, man. It's so small, what the f? It's my hand. It fits into my palm. Hello? Hello, police? And this is not cheap, one piece is $3. 6 piece is $16.90. So around Jollibee's pricing. Alright, here we go. One bite. It brought me back to 2 years ago, 3 years ago now, when I got my friends together to eat Mac. And then I told them I will order, but I didn't tell them what I was ordering. And then for a group of 5, I ordered 120-piece McWings. I don't think it's an understatement to say that it tastes exactly like the McWings. If I can bet, right, if I can put money and bet, right, I would say they use the exact same recipe as the McWings. Down to the batter. Surprise, surprise. This isn't it. No point even saying if it's nice or not. Like, you all eat McWings before, right? Then this one just become bigger. Excited for nothing. Oh well, I knew. I was naive. I saw the signs. I saw all the signs. I did my research. I knew this was coming, but I still believed in it. This is like returning to a place that you once knew, right? But only the name is the same. That's all I have for you guys this time. Like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you disliked it, and subscribe if you want to see more food content like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
That boy is Benny Hanna.